Hey there, this is Angela from Iron Gorilla, and today we're going to make a quick sprint through what AI actually is and why it matters for your organization. Now, AI can be a little intimidating. I know. You hear it on the news, you read about it on social media. There's a lot of buzzwords being thrown around. And for what? So listen, I am going to break down the basics for you. What everyone is calling AI today is really a large language model, or LLM for short. And whoa, buzzwords, right? But actually, no. LLMs are basically giant prediction machines. You type in a word, and it predicts the next word in the sentence. They're actually kind of simple. But it turns out that if you throw a massive amount of computing power at them, they can actually mimic human intelligence pretty well. Although we understand how LLMs work, they are still a little bit of a black box. They are not perfect, but neither are you and me. LLMs can make mistakes, and the buzzword you'll see to describe that is non-deterministic, which is just a fancy way of saying if you type in the same word 5 times, there's no guarantee it'll generate the same sentence consistently. But that's a pro and a con. For businesses, that means that LLMs can mimic the flexibility of a human-driven process, even if things don't go exactly to plan. They can adapt because they are non-deterministic. But sometimes they are so off base that they cause damage. This is also referred to as a hallucination. Sometimes the LLM gets confused and will output dangerous text, or try to take dangerous actions, like wiring $10 million to a Nigerian prince because it read your spam folder. As LLMs have advanced, new ways of interacting with them have come on the market. You might have used or seen Microsoft Copilot, ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, OpenClaw, or even an LLM inside an existing software you use. They are everywhere now, sometimes in places where they shouldn't be. Many of these systems are commonly referred to as AI agents, which, buzzword alert, is just a way of having an LLM operate autonomously as the quote-unquote person making decisions about input data. AI agents are actually pretty cool, since they can legitimately replace a lot of the day-to-day work that is wasting your time. From simple things like organizing your emails, to more complex topics like preparing your taxes, booking travel, answering medical and legal questions, and so much more. Many businesses are implementing AI agents to streamline entire departments. AI agents can even write code and are generally considered to be self-improving these days. Pretty insane. At Iron Gorilla, we've developed our own system to harness the power of LLMs. Without turning into a nerd and boring you to death, what we've done is put the LLM in solitary, so to speak. The LLMs cannot access the outside world until they go through our cell door, aka our platform, which allows us to act as something akin to a firewall. Every time an LLM runs, we grade it, kind of like a credit score, and use that score to determine if the thing is freaking out or behaving properly. If our system thinks it is losing its mind, we shut it down before it can do any damage. Now, obviously, there's a lot more to Iron Gorilla than that. But the end result is a platform that every organization can use to safely deploy AI agents at scale. And it's free to get started. So if you're experimenting with AI or are looking for a place to start deploying agents safely, give her the good old college try. There's nothing to lose. And as I mentioned, AI is a complex field of computer science that's received so much publicity, so many grifters, and so much fake news that it can be hard to navigate the minefield of what's actually true and what's false. Our recommendation is that you always need to try something before you believe it. Set a goal for what you expect the AI to do. Sometimes it won't do it on the first try. That's okay. That's by design. But if you understand how these LLMs work more than just a magic box you type into, you'll be better off in the majority of the workforce. Make sure to follow Iron Gorilla on social for the latest no-nonsense AI education, and to see how our platform is helping everyone from hospitals to the US government make strides in efficiency using this new tech. See ya!